Namaskar dosto. Today I want to talk about a credit card that's changing the game. The Yes Bank Kiwi Klick credit card. A virtual Rupay card which is completely free for life. Imagine getting a 5% cashback on all your everyday spends. That's what this card offers. Watch till the end to know the complete details. With this card you can earn cashback effortlessly, whether you're paying for groceries or ordering food online. It's designed for a generation that's constantly on the move, using their smartphones for everything. With the Yes Bank Kiwi Klick credit card, you can say goodbye to carrying bulky wallets and experience the future of digital spending. Now, let's dive into the details of how you can earn cashback with this amazing card. When you use your Kiwi credit card for UPI transactions through the Kiwi app, you earn a base cashback of 1%. For other online spends, you earn a 0.5% cashback. Your cashback is credited to your account in the form of Kiwis, each equivalent to 0.25 Indian rupee. The minimum transaction to be eligible for cashback is rupees 50. So you get 2 Kiwis on every rupees 50 spent for UPI transactions. Kiwis can be redeemed directly into your bank account linked to the Kiwi app. On a monthly basis, customers can earn a maximum of Kiwis equivalent to 1% of the total credit limit on the Kiwi credit card. For example, if your credit limit is 3 lakhs, then maximum 3,000 Kiwis can be earned per month, which is equal to 750 rupees. Additionally, you also get 2 Yes rewards for non-UPI spends of every rupees 200. Hold on tight because Yes Bank has something truly special to supercharge your cashback game. It's called Neon. If you apply this card between July 1st, 2024 and October 30th, 2024, you can get a free 1-year subscription to Neon. With Neon, all your UPI transactions through the Kiwi app will earn you an amazing 2% cashback. This is the best cashback reward rate. No other card is offering 2% cashback on all UPI transactions presently in the market. Neon is a premium add-on to your Yes Bank Kiwi Klick credit card, designed to enhance your cashback earnings. Experience it firsthand for free for an entire year and maximize your cashback potential. This card also rewards your spending milestones handsomely. The more you spend, the more you earn. Spend rupees 50,000 in a year and you get 3% cashback on all your spends with 1 lounge access worth rupees 1,800. Reach a spend of 1 lakh in a year and you get 4% cashback on all your spends with 1 lounge access. And that's not all. If you reach a spend of 1.5 lakh in a year, then you get a whopping 5% cashback on all your spends with 1 lounge access. These milestone benefits are designed to appreciate your loyalty and make your spending experience even more rewarding. However, keep in mind that certain transactions are not eligible for cashback and milestone calculations. These include transactions on fuel purchases, jewelry, wallet load, insurance, education, government services, rent, utilities, and EMI. You can apply the card directly through the Kiwi app or via the link in the description. Even if you're an existing Kiwi cardholder, you can enjoy the benefits of the Neon subscription for a nominal fee of rupees 999 for a year. Apply today and start your rewarding cashback journey. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to Credit Coach for more such exciting details.